Once upon a time, there was a handsome prince and a beautiful princess who lived happily ever after in their kingdom full of animals and knights. One day, the knight was guarding the kingdom when a dragon came along and killed the mighty soldier. The horse came out to check on the soldier to see if he was okay. She saw the soldier and hurried and brought her to the princess. The princess and the prince ran outside to see the mighty soldier who was already gone and demolished, when a mighty wizard came along. And the wizard turned the handsome prince into a beast. And now the horse, the prince, and the princess were running along to go find the disappeared wizard. When they finally ran into the wizard, they asked the wizard to turn the prince back into a handsome prince. Will you please turn the prince back into a handsome prince again?
Yes, I will.
And they all lived happily ever after as best friends. The end.